Hello everyone, now we are waiting for Mustafa Nawaz Khan. Consumer is here, Mustafa is here, and I'll be taking Mustafa right now directly. Ahmed Ibrar is here. It's going to be fun! Sarif Tariq is here. Oh my. Assalamu alaikum, Mustafa. How are you?
I am good, Vikas. How are you? Can you hear me?
I can hear you. I can see you.
Okay. Okay, I look weird. Do I look weird?
You don't
Should I?
look.
Okay.
आ
Okay.
गया दिल चुराने पे आ गया. Okay. Mustafa,
I
how's
hate my
life in general?
I fucking hate my hairs right now. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's do it.
You fucking hate what?
I hate my hairs right now. Means I need a haircut and there's
Are the
nothing
same.
here.
They're always the same. They are good.
No. No. Okay, okay. Fuck it, fuck it. Okay. और Vikas कैसे हो? How's everything, Vikas?
Everything is good. How's life?
Life is under quarantine. It's a bit depressing, but yeah, it's fine. It's going on.
How is Germany treating you?
Okay. Now that's very overwhelming question, I would say. I mean, most of the time it's amazing. I met some really, really good people here. And but sometimes I miss home, like घर घर है भाई. वो वाली बात नहीं है, but still. Or then again, I'm relatively new, so it's it's going.
Okay, that's good. Acha, Mustafa, you have been to many countries. So I
Mm-hmm.
want to ask you that what is that thing which makes Pakistan the top country for you?
Okay, Vikas. Hello, 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 hello.
I am here. I am here.
Vikas, I don't know ये कुछ हो रहा है मैं बार बार kind of disconnect हो जाता हूँ. Can you hear me? Hello.
I can hear you. Can you look at me? Am I visible?
Yeah, I can. Okay. हाँ अब
Then
बता.
that's fine. अच्छा मुझे तुमसे ये पूछना था मुस्तफा कि you have been to different countries, ठीक है?
Okay.
What is that thing which makes Pakistan the best?
यार पाकिस्तान is home. समझ आ रही है. So there's nothing like home.
समझ आ रही है.
So Pakistan is home. The thing is like home. मैं जहाँ मर्जी चला जाऊँ जो मर्जी कर लूँ जैसा मैं यहाँ पे लोगों के साथ कनेक्ट कर सकता हूँ जैसे मैं लोगों के साथ यहाँ पे रिलेट कर सकता हूँ जो मेरा कनेक्शन है यहाँ पे जो कल्चर हम शेयर करते हैं जो सब चीज हम शेयर कर सकते हैं करते हैं मैं कहीं नहीं कर लाइक कहीं नहीं कर सकता या फिर नहीं हो सकती सो पाकिस्तान होम इज होम नथिंग कैन बी होम.
Okay. Acha, Mustafa, you have met different people in your life from different ethnicities, from different cultures. So what is that one thing from a specific culture that has inspired you? और तुम्हें लगता है कि वो पाकिस्तानियों में भी होनी चाहिए वो चीज ऐसी कोई चीज है या फिर did you notice something?
कोई एक चीज.
Okay, please tell us. Please enlighten us. You
नहीं नहीं
can you
मीन्स
can
लाइक
go explicit if you want.
नहीं मीन्स यार देखो विकास बहुत कुछ है मीन्स जो सच्चाई है वो सच्चाई है हम लोग बहुत पीछे हैं बहुत सारी चीजों में हम लोग अच्छे हैं मीन लाइक समझ आ रही है. बहुत कुछ है लाइक कोई एक ऐसी चीज नहीं है जिसके बारे में मैं कह सकूं कि यार ये बार बार कुछ आ जाता है यहाँ पे मेरी स्क्रीन के ऊपर मुझे वो कहते हैं कि टर्म्स एग्रीमेंट ओके करो. मैं रोज ओके करता हूँ आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स हैपनिंग. अच्छा ओके सो आई एम सॉरी यार आई एम नॉट गुड विद दिस स्टफ. ओके सो यार वकास यार यार हम लोग कुछ भी दिल से नहीं करते यू नो हम कुछ भी लाइक हमारे डिसीजंस इन्फ्लुएंस्ड होते हैं मींस यू नो हम लेट्स से अगर हम यूनिवर्सिटी में मेजर चूज करते हैं तो हम पेरेंट्स की मर्जी से चूज करते हैं. अगर हम कोई काम करते हैं तो हमें मजबूरी होती है तो हम दिल से नहीं करते हमारी मजबूरियां होती हैं जो कि मैं समझ सकता हूँ मगर यू नो मैंने यहाँ पे लाइक अब मैं ये कह सकता हूँ मैं जर्मनी में लाइक पाकिस्तान के अलावा मैंने जर्मनी में सबसे ज्यादा टाइम स्पेंड किया. मैं पाकिस्तान समझ आ रही है मैं एनवायरमेंटल साइंसेज में हूँ तो मेरे डिपार्टमेंट में जितने जर्मन लोग हैं वो सब वीगन है मीन्स वीगन है. तो it's they're like committed, they're passionate. अगर वो पढ़ रहे हैं ये सब चीजें तो they're like passionate, they're committed, and they actually want to change these things. इसलिए so it's
Okay.
yeah, that's
So हमें हर चीज लगन से करनी चाहिए and we should know what we are doing. That's the thing we are lacking.
and we're doing, yeah, we should do it because we want to do it, not because of somebody else or something else.
Yeah, not because we should do it. ठीक.
Yeah.
Okay, Mustafa, you are very good at keeping your PR because you have very good personal relations and you are very good with public dealings. So how do you maintain that?
Okay, you're the first person who has said that. I didn't knew about that stuff.
There are lots
That
of people actually. There are lots of people who think that.
okay. Well, I was saying the
They are
first
actually
person.
in this conversation. They are listening and they are commenting. You can read the comments too if you want.
If I start reading, then I won't be able to talk, so I won't go there. Okay. Yeah, I feel like I do have friends. I would say that. I mean, I don't know about the PR thing, but I would say, okay, I do have friends, or yeah, it's all about like making the effort to make the like keep the contact. It could be a message, it could be a reaction to the Instagram story, it could be a long call, it could be a video call, it could be a visit. Like,
Oh, I get it.
yeah, I mean, like, मैं पाकिस्तान आया था, मैं तुम्हें मिला था. So it can be anything. It
Yes.
can be anything. So you have to make the effort. You have to make the effort. Without making the effort, you cannot do it. So yeah.
Well, that is actually good. That is actually good and honest that you have to keep in touch. So have you been in touch with the people lately?
We know a lot of people, Vikas. We know a lot of people. Like, yeah, ambiguous बातें ना करो. Let's कोई ऐसी बात करो ना जिसका सबको पता हो. I mean, like, या तो clearly बताओ. Say the name, or like be more open about it. Don't be like this. There's like a lot of people that we know. Like, we have mutual, a lot of
Okay,
mutual
I am
friends.
enjoying it so much. Okay,
Yeah,
Mustafa,
same here, Vikas.
if you were the Prime Minister of Pakistan, what are the reforms you would have bring in the education system of Pakistan? Tell me just one reform that you have bring, like you would have brought in the education system of Pakistan.
Okay. इस्लामी जमहूरिया पाकिस्तान की तारीख शुरू होती है मोहम्मद बिन कासिम से, ठीक है? Which I would love to, means it's not official, but it's the unofficial history. Yeah, it's an unofficial history that means, you know, Muhammad bin Qasim आया तो like he was उसके पास पहला पासपोर्ट पाकिस्तानी पासपोर्ट उसके पास था, so which which I have lots of
Okay.
problems. Yeah. Which I have lots of problems with, and I will love to change the historical narrative we have. Means you've been to India and everything. Means we are just not that. We are not this Islam ka killa thing. We are not. We're definitely not that, and we are much more that. And we should be. We should.
It hurts. It hurts.
Sorry. Okay. So yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing.
So you want to change the historical narrative that we have been presenting to our students?
Yeah, to our generations, Vikas, to our generations, or you know, with yeah, I mean, yeah, that's the precise answer. I could go in way too detail, but yeah, that's the precise answer I have. KR means,
Okay.
but I can go on if you want me to. Do you want me to go deep into this
No,
topic
we
or
cannot
what?
go that deep because we have to come out of it, and I don't want to take ages.
Yeah. I'm following the guidelines that you gave me before this, so yeah.
Acha, Mustafa, what is the successful moment in your life? What is the most, you can say the successful highlight of your life?
I took my mom to Baku last summer.
Okay.
This is, yeah, I mean, I didn't took her, she took me, but we traveled. This is something we wanted to do. I don't know since when, since I don't know when, like this I love. I'm so proud of it. We did it. I'm so proud of it. I mean, like I mean, yeah, यार लोगों का होता है, उनको scholarship मिला, उनको ये मिला, उनको वो मिला, भाई मुझे ऐसा जिंदगी में कभी कुछ नहीं मिला. फिर मैंने अभी तक कोई इतना बड़ा काम भी नहीं किया तो, but this is something I'm really proud of. कि यार I took her for vacations and she was happy. You know, I pampered her properly. I mean, she wanted me to take her pictures wearing sunglasses and standing in front of different places, and I was literally doing that, and she was happy, so which made
That
me
is
happy. So
beautiful.
yeah,
That
I'm
is
so proud of
beautiful. That is a very beautiful answer. Achha, Mustafa, if you were a Game of Thrones character, because that is one of the season which can actually describe the way you want to live your life.
it. Okay,
Okay?
okay, okay.
Because it's very political, it has got drama, and when I watch Game of Thrones, मुझे लगता है कि ठीक है. अगर इसके अंदर entertainment से अलावा कोई way of living ढूंढ सकता है ना कि how to actually live this life, that is
Mm-hmm.
Mustafa. So I want to
Okay.
know if you were a part of Game of Thrones, ठीक है? If it would have been real, which house you would have selected for yourself, and what is the character you would have preferred to be?
Okay, Vikas, yeah, first of all, I'm a big House of Game of Thrones fans. So, अक्सर मैं like, do you remember Martells?
Yes.
Yeah, I love those people. I love them. They did give a vibe that they were like from South Punjab. They had a different accent. They were not very familiar with. I mean, like they were different. They were different. They were not similar to the people from King's Landing or other of those houses which were like very. I mean, like जो वो पास रहते थे. They were like very different. वो different कपड़े पहनते थे और वो like लग रहा था वो लोग जंग से आए हैं.
Their clothes were awesome. I love their dresses.
Accent, they have a different accent. जैसे जंग के लोगों का different accent होता है तो ना yeah, they have like weird traditions and these kind of things. So मुझे वो house बहुत पसंद था and I felt like very close to that house.
Achha,
But what
Mustafa,
happened to that? Yeah, yeah,
yes, you can go on.
yeah. So मगर जो उस बंदे के साथ हुआ था Prince O'Brien, I don't know Prince
O'Brien, उसके साथ बहुत बुरा हुआ था.
O'Brien.
Prince O'Brien
हाँ
के
उसको
साथ.
हाँ तो मैं वैसा नहीं चाहता मेरे साथ हो but I really like the culture he represented, that kind of thing.
Okay, nice. अच्छा, मुस्तफा, अभी तुमने झंग के बारे में बात की कि like it has a different culture. तो wherever you go, you try to promote झंग. ठीक है? Everybody tries to promote their own culture. Like when we go somewhere, we try to promote Pakistan as whole. So when it comes to you, you have always been, in touch with your roots. You always promote झंग का culture a lot, and you always promote that region बहुत ज़्यादा. So what is that thing that keeps you connected to your roots?
Yeah, most important thing is because I feel like I just started doing job a year and a half ago, I don't know. So before that, I was not earning money, and even now, like I am sitting here because my family like afforded this for me to sit here. So thing is like I feel like I mean whatever I am is because of my family, because I means like I'm from a certain place, or even I'm here, I don't have, I mean, my father passed away, my family took care of me, they cared for everything. And even I'm here, my mom's back in Pakistan, or Jhang to be specific. So they have family who are taking care of them. So I'm very close to my family, and I mean growing up, I was like मैं एक ऐसे घर में बड़ा हुआ था जहाँ पे there was a very strong sense of family, or you have to stand by family, your family comes first, these kind of things. They were like, man, you have been to my home, you have been to my village, you have been to everywhere. So I think this comes from that. Or then again, living in Jhang, you realize that it's very means it's not. There are a lot of things that we lack. There, इतना infrastructure develop नहीं, इतना सब कुछ develop नहीं है. So I feel like there's a very strong need of like development, or means I don't know. I mean like I don't know. When I came to agriculture university, that was the first time I left Jung, and I felt like I mean I'm different. Means definitely I'm not like that different, but there are certain things that I'm very different from, and I care about. So I think it means all of these things come. ये सब चीजें एक sense of आपको identity देती हैं, which I love, and I don't
मतलब
want to
तुम्हारी
like.
पहचान है जिसको तुम चाहते हो कि like people should know the culture, people should know the values
Yeah,
of that
exactly,
city.
exactly. That I think your culture is something that makes you unique. Being here in Germany, there are like people from everywhere, and you stand out. You have like I mean because I cannot explain this. I don't know, Vikas. I don't know. I mean, frankly, means I cannot express this right now. I think you would see the same thing in Ghazi or somebody else you know from Jung, that
Yes.
they're very unapologetic from being Jung. I don't know. It is
They are
something.
unapologetic और मुझे यही वाली बात क्योंकि that's what I wanted to know because they promote Jung wherever they go and that's a very good thing. So I just want to know what is that thing that keeps you connected. But you have given the answer that it's something you cannot explain. It's je ne sais quoi kind of quality. So that's
Yeah,
a good thing. So
yeah, maybe.
Mustafa, एक बात जो अगली मैम मुझसे पूछती है, you have always been vocal about your opinions. ठीक है जब मैंने तुमसे कहा कि तुम एक पीआर मेंटेन करना चाहते हो बट एट द सेम टाइम यू हैव पीपल हु आर अगेंस्ट यू ठीक है नॉट अगेंस्ट यू बट अगर दे डोंट वांट टू टॉक टू यू एंड इज दैट बिकॉज ऑफ द ओपिनियंस यू शेयर क्योंकि क्योंकि वंस वी टॉक और तुमने मुझे कहा था कि यू शेयर योर ओपिनियंस एंड पीपल समटाइम्स गेट अब्यूसिव so how do you deal with that? How do you deal with when people actually don't want to talk to you and people actually say that what you are doing and what you are saying is not the right thing? How do you deal with that?
Yeah, because first of all, uh, okay, I would start with, okay, yaar, I was privileged enough to that I was privileged that I got exposure to certain ideas or certain sort of people, and they changed me. I mean, because you changed me. You're one of, I mean, like, I feel like, I mean, every single person I've met has an influence on me. I mean, my friends, and you're one of them. And so thing is like I have these, and I was lucky to have these exposures, and everybody's not that much lucky कि उनको वो सब कुछ मिले. Or I am certain sort of person because I am a lot privileged as compared to a lot of people that I know. Okay, and I mean it's not something to be like I should be arrogant about. I feel like this is the responsibility I have. This is the responsibility I have कि यार मैं उन आइडियाज की बात करूं. मीन्स लाइक हमारे मीन हम लोग एक बहुत ही मिसोजिनिस्टिक बड़े ही माचो सोसाइटी में रहते हैं. तो इफ यू आर सेंसिटिव और यू कंसिडर योरसेल्फ फेमिनिस्ट, that's a taboo. I mean you cannot talk about it. I mean, you cannot talk about army. You cannot talk about security apparatus. I mean, right now Imran Khan is super famous. You just cannot talk about Imran Khan. Okay, so there are a lot of do's and don'ts, and Islam is like way higher. Like religion general, not about Islam. Religion as general is like untouchable thing. So thing is like, yeah, I feel like it's my risk. Means like you have to be vocal. Means samajh aa rahi hai? Means people who are very conservative and who talk about very dangerous ideas, they are vocal and confident. Then you should be also vocal and confident about those ideas. So
Hmm.
thing is ki, yaar, it is hard, like first of all, like I was like very defensive. Means like I was like कि यार कोई hurt ना हो, कोई किसी के sentiment ये hurt ना हो. So I used to post things, then I would get backlash and I would go on backward, and like, I would start apologizing and those kind of things. But now it's not like that because it's like I'm done with those things. And in the start it was really hard, because
Yeah.
I mean, I actually believed in those things. I mean, I was not just making these posts to like to pretend or like give an image or something. I actually believed in these things. Or when people were like group on me, the people I know them very well. They are like friends with me, but they would have a different political opinion, and they will group on me and like, okay, I mean, yeah, debate is something. Okay, I understand debate karo, that's
But they
fine.
were
But
abusive to you.
yeah, means यार private फजूल बातें सुनी हुई हैं. मुझे कुट कुट पड़ने की धमकी पड़ी हुई मिली हुई है, और लाइक इस तरह की मैंने काफी चीजें सुनी हुई हैं. सो it was hard in the start, but now I'm like over that. So hi शाजी क्या हाल है?
Well, that is actually good. Acha, Mustafa, I know and people know that you have been into different relationships in your life. Different sort of relationships, not that relationship. Relationship is very diverse term. Mustafa, don't show me the eyes.
Okay, means diverse means I'm straight, bro.
Like you have been in relationships generally. So I
Yeah, I mean
want to
that's
know what is the
great.
most important thing for you in a relationship.
Sex. I mean, like, means communication. Communication. Communication is important, and right amount of uh, sex. No, sex. No, no, no. Means I will not say that. Communication and yeah, it's. I was kidding. It's communication. It's just communication. Communication is very, very important. Communication, I would say. Yeah.
Right. So that's all you want to say when it comes to relationships in general.
Yeah, communication is very important. Very, very important. Like, means you
Okay,
cannot survive.
and how do you deal with the relationships which do not involve sex? There is a diverse
Oh,
meaning
okay,
to
okay.
this term.
Yeah, then again, bro, I've said it. I've said it. Communication is very important, and once you have lost that, you cannot like take go back. When you say things, they fire back. It doesn't matter how hard you apologize or how hard you try, those people will never come back, bro. So, when these kind of things happen, so yeah, communication is very
Okay.
important.
Acha,
You
Mustafa,
should.
I have a question to ask that what is that thing that keeps you bright in the darkest of times?
Uh, यार मैं बैचलर्स में था तो somebody said कि यार means somebody said that means mean I am from a very backward area, from a very small town, and means I was lucky in a lot of ways, to be honest. Okay, so like means because even you, it's for everyone. So everyone, means we live in such a divided or unbalanced world that wherever you are, there are like millions of people who would do anything to replace you. Means what you have is like dream for them. So that's something that I always keep in mind, that what I have is a responsibility. What I have is for everything for someone. So I should be lucky for what I have, and I should like be humble and be thankful about it. So yeah, that keeps me motivated.
Well, that is actually very good, Mustafa. And the last question to you is that you have a lot of friends you are not in contact with, and what do you want to say to them?
I didn't get your question because you have to means क्या मतलब है means जिनको क्या क्या means किस तरह means like जिनको मैं मिल नहीं पाया है, क्या पूछना चाह रहे हो?
Okay, change the question. I don't like this question. That just came to my mind. अच्छा, मुझे
Yeah.
सिर्फ ये पूछना था मुस्तफा कि
हाँ.
if you do something which you know that people don't like it, ठीक है, and those people are actually very close to you. So, do you realize that you have made a mistake?
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
Do you
Means
apologize?
yeah, I'm very good at apologizing actually. I feel like it's my ability. Means I'm very good at it. Believe me. But then again, oh, Wakas is amazing. Kanza, hi Kanza. Kanza say something about Wakas. Wakas is amazing. Wakas is amazing. I mean,
Okay.
Wakas
Okay,
is
मुस्तफा,
very
जो मैंने तुमसे सारे सवालात किए हैं, those सवालात were actually very good. Not the सवालात, but the जवाबात that you gave me, they were very good. And I hope that they were insightful. और मुस्तफा, sorry, I just want to add one more thing, that you are living abroad. और यहाँ पे बहुत से
Mhm.
लोग हैं जो कहते हैं कि ठीक है, we want to go abroad, हम पढ़ने के लिए जाना चाहते हैं. तो तुम्हें चाहता हूँ कि आखिरी मैसेज उन लोगों के लिए who actually want to study abroad, is it that easy? या फिर is it that charming जितना लोग यहाँ पे बैठ के सोचते हैं? What are the difficulties that you have to face when you are in whole another country?
Okay. So yeah, that is something I would love to talk about. Yeah, because हमारे यहाँ ये बताया जाता है कि once you come here ना, life is going to be. The thing is that कि यार सबसे पहली बात ये you should know what you're doing. Means यहाँ पे लोग आ जाते हैं, they just want to like land here. That's it. They just want to land here. That's all they want you to do. समझ आ रही है ना? I'm in Germany. Education is free here, which makes things a lot easier. But if you go to America, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, UK, वहाँ वहाँ पे फीस वगैरह बहुत ज्यादा है वहाँ पे there a lot of things you have to take care about समझ आ रही है ना तो thing is like there's a lot of hard work here things are more streamlined here it's a good opportunity come here you'll get amazing exposure you will learn a lot but it's not boys here who works like 6 or 7 days a week means because वो यहाँ पे उधार लेके आते हैं means उनको फैमिली सपोर्ट नहीं कर पाती कुछ ऐसे होते हैं जो फैमिलीज को पीछे सपोर्ट कर रहे होते हैं they have to struggle a lot then again you should know I mean why you are coming here उसके बाद मैं एक बात बताता हूँ कि यार I mean like it's a cultural thing I would say means we are bit conservative as a culture so we are not open to new ideas we're not open to accept new people
Yes,
and those
you're
kind
not.
of things
You're not.
yeah and so thing is like before coming here they don't think about that they don't think about that it's a whole it's Europe bro it's a whole different culture everything is going to be very different here in the start it's very intimidating so you should come here good yeah you should have
With a purpose.
तुम्हें पता यार यहाँ पे लड़के आते हैं उनको पता नहीं होता कि यार डिग्री में मॉड्यूल्स कौन से हैं जब वो पढ़ने जा रहे हैं मैं बोला यार तुम घर छोड़ के यहाँ पे आओगे तुम्हें पता ही नहीं कि तुम किन मॉड्यूल्स को पढ़ने वाले हो सो गेट योर प्रायोरिटीज राइट डू योर होमवर्क एंड बी मोर फ्लेक्सिबल व्हेन यू कम हियर समझ आ रही है ना यहाँ पे सब कुछ खुद करना पड़ता है ब्रो यहाँ पे सब कुछ खुद करना पड़ता है इट्स नॉट तो लाइक यू नो यहाँ पे लड़कों को चाहिए बच्चों को चाहिए बच्चियों को चाहिए सब जो भी यहाँ पे आना चाह रहे हो चाहिए they should be more prepared when they come back yeah.
Okay. That's all, Mustafa. Thank you so much for giving me your time. You gave all the answers brilliantly. And yes, they were precise too. Or thank you so much for being on the show because I wanted to see you and people wanted to see you. That's a good thing that you're here.
Yeah.
Okay, Mustafa.
Okay, Vikas, thank you. Vikas, sorry, thank you so much for inviting me, and I love your show. And please keep doing it. Please go. I mean, it might be hard. I mean, समझ आ रही है, especially after
Thank
lockdown.
you so much. Like it means a lot, honestly.
Just keep doing it. Just keep doing it. I mean, it's like just keep. You know, this is when in my imagination. This is something you all. I mean, I always see you doing. I don't know. I mean, like Vikas हमेशा कुछ ऐसा ही कर रहा होगा. And I could never express it. But yeah, there you are, Vikas, there you are, and you're doing it. I love it.
Thank you so much, Mustafa. It actually means a lot. और signature question पूछ लिया मैंने Hamza. Because Hamza comes every day, and Hamza knows all the questions which I ask from my guests, and he's saying hello. नीचे मैंने तब देखा नहीं because you were actually giving me the answer. So इस वजह से I just wanted to let you know.
And sorry if I miss any questions apart from Kanz and Alim's question. I did not read them on purpose because if I read them, like you know Kanz and Alim, so everybody knows.
I will actually read the comments afterwards.
Yeah. Same here. I will.
Okay, Mustafa. Love this. Okay, Bia, love this.